Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. So yesterday we had a CPI, core CPI. Maybe on the screen you can see there. And as I did tell you, yes, the CPI the actual number actually it went down, which means the inflation slowly it's going down. Which means and that it's actually good for the market. But the thing is, the news actually that we have, these are not the only high impact news. Today around 9 o'clock, we also have fund rates or federal funds rate or interest rate, which are also very high impact and very important. So whatever that happens, actually, people they'll still focus on FOMC. And on the forecast here, they show us that they're going to increase with 0.5 or let's say 50 basis points. If they increase with that, I think that is not really bad, actually. It's not really bad. I think we can continue buying some sort of NASDAQ and US30s. And we smashed that. We did smash gold, actually. NASDAQ US30, the thing is the market was already in the middle between the support and resistance, and we were not going to buy that. But I told my people if maybe they want to take that risk, they can take it. You can see that on the screen. I don't know how long will this thing take, but let me show you that. I think this is going to be like almost a minute, so I'll just maybe give this video like 10 seconds. Let's see. Let's see. I'll just put the video here on the screen. I'm counting. Then you can see, and again, while the video is still pushing up, you can start to see that you can actually make something with smaller account, because that account it's actually 300, and I did that with purpose. I did that so that I can show you, because I've been showing you other accounts that I took from 200, 400 and pushed them to 2000. So if I can repeat that, it means you can also do that. You don't really need some crazy amount to start trading. Get that 300. I think 300 it's almost $18, you see. So yeah, and that $18 is the same amount that I'm going to charge, that I'm charging actually for signals. If you want to be part of the team, you can also get those nice signals and you can grow that. And you start to see that actually we are extra cheap, because you can actually make your money the same day with one signal. But the best thing is when you understand what you are doing. If you understand exactly what you are doing, things are just going to be straightforward for you. I think maybe, I don't know if the video will be done or something, because I'm just going to edit that. But I think for now I can just say the video is done, so we can just go straight to the analysis. Remember, we have the special. It's $18. I did put that $18 with purpose. You saw from that $18, I think we trebled that. I don't know, after we treble is what? It's quadruple or something. Yeah, we did it. We were able to bring that 300 four times, I think. So someone say, I need to fund the account. I need 10,000 to fund the account. You don't need that. You need the skill. You need the skill to take everything that you have and make it bigger. Just imagine that amount. If maybe it was maybe 3,000 or something, it means I was just going to make 20K very easy, or 15K very easy. I hope you understand that. Do you understand that? Yes, it's possible. It's possible. Yes, it's possible with a smaller amount. But I'm not just saying go out there and take risk when you don't really understand what's really happening. But by the way, I think it's fine. So today we're expecting what? We're expecting interest rates from the US around 9. That will be actually late. I just pray that we won't have actually a load shedding. If we have that, it's fine. I will just see what I can do. Tomorrow we have like a core retail sale. I think I will be somewhere by tomorrow, but it's fine. So let's just go straight to our analysis and see what's really happening. So as you know, we start with USDJPY these days. These days, I think on the thumbnail I should also add that. And you know what? Even yesterday we smashed that. You can see we don't really have to hide that. This signal was sent in the group. Just imagine when let's say maybe you just joined with $18. Then we give you the signal to sell. That $18, maybe you can make $200 from that. So you just recovered that 10 times, you see. So, or I don't know the number, even if it's not 10 times, but more than whatever that you started with. So what's really happening actually here on the market? Guys, feel free. Don't take anything that I say like serious. If I'm joking, don't take it personal. I'm just like, I like to make this thing analysis to be fun and understandable, right? So what I see here is, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. Already we saw this even yesterday. So there is nothing much change because the market is still trying to consolidate there. But the bigger picture here is, yes, the market is still actually on that downtrend. Or maybe some people, they can say, Kenzo, just use your bigger time frame because you like to say you start with a bigger time frame. So here it's how it is. I did this analysis actually yesterday. If you did watch that, you will understand. So we are still actually on what? On a downtrend, and the market is creating this sort of consolidation move. I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue going down, especially during the news FOMC. I think once I just hope they increase with 25 basis points because that will be actually good for the market. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower and create some sort of a structure like that. Even if maybe the market doesn't do that, we still have actually a resistance there, which it can help us to say if the market pushes above that, we will think otherwise and say, hey, maybe the market wants to change the trend because currently the trend is doing what? It's going down. That's why we actually look for sell positions only. We don't have to complicate the two, right? So let's push to the next one. We don't really have to take much time on one thing. So, no, I think we're supposed to go on Euro USD. Yeah. What's really happening on Euro USD? I also did the analysis yesterday. Yes, the market is actually on a nice bullish move. The market is on a very nice bullish move. So what's really happening is the market started to do what? To push the upside. So what we have now, we are on an uptrend. Yes, this is a nice uptrend. But this uptrend here, I can say it's a very steep uptrend. There is like serious possibilities that the market can break that and maybe reach this area before pushing up again. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting a very nice slow trend. A slow moving trend, something like you can see how this thing move, something like that. Why we see something like that? Because that is sustainable. The market won't sustain an aggressive trend. So this uptrend, the market is not going to sustain that. But beside that, as we understand what's really happening, we know that we have this outer support. We also have a counter one. Counter trend line is not really that strong. It just helps us to know where we can maybe continue buying and stuff. But we're going to use two methods: the horizontal support and the horizontal resistance. So currently the market broke out of this resistance. So it means that we are sorry, especially when we are on an uptrend, we expecting to buy again. We expecting a bullish move because we are on an uptrend. The market just broke out of this resistance. So, which means it's quite similar to the market breaking this area. You see, when the market breaks this area, we expect to buy around this area. When the market breaks this area or any resistance, we expect to continue with that trend. So, which means after we're done with this analysis, I will be sending a very nice buy stop around that area in the group. That's why you're supposed to be in the group. If you are not in the group and maybe you say whatever, I don't know, because I think it's very cheap. $18 is very cheap. And you know, we've been here, just check the analysis every day. We've been doing that. So yes, I'm expecting some nice bullish move. If you want mentorship, that is actually special. If you want mentorship, it's December, guys. I think we need to rest. But if you seriously want that, if you seriously want to learn, if you're tired and this Christmas or this festive season you want to use it to learn, yeah, I can spare that time for you if you pay $250. Talk to me if you want to be part of that team. I'm not cheap, by the way, but $250 is very cheap, I think. But for now, I think it's time actually to rest. You don't just rest. Don't just go and chill if you don't actually have the nice things. No, not the nice things. Sorry. Don't go out and try to chill when you still have something which is not complete. You know you are not good at something. You go and celebrate. How do you celebrate when you know that you still have to work on yourself? You see. Or maybe you just want to make new resolutions every year. You have time. We know you might be working, but you have time. Take that 20 minutes to learn something. You have money. Don't say you don't really have money. You have $18. Why not fund that? Use that on a seriously mini account. You're going to use the smallest lot size and try to apply the exact. Don't just use your emotions. Use something that you know that, okay, if I lose it's because of this. When you make money and when you lose money, you should have the reason, or you should know what's really happening, you see. But if it just happens, you can't even explain that. That is the problem. Can you explain your strategy within maybe 2 lines or 3 lines? Even if it's 10 lines, but can you explain your strategy? Can you explain your entry strategy? Can you tell someone that, you know what, now it's time for us to wait because this and this doesn't really make this and that? Do you have a confirming strategy? Can you say, nope, this is not really safe? Do you have that? Or maybe you just want to win, but you don't really have something. So most of us, we know we have this thing we think we know, or we think we can know things by ourselves. That's why we say, get a mentor. Even if it's not me, get someone who is going to teach you. They are not perfect. We know they are not perfect, but you're going to learn something. Once you learn something, then you can take it from there and you continue with that. I hope you can listen. I'm not perfect, but if you listen 1 or 2 things here, you're going to see, because these are the mistakes that I actually made this mistake of thinking that I know too much. I did not want to learn from anyone because I thought I have YouTube. I can learn everything from YouTube, get all these documents, but you need someone who's going to show you the road. You see, so I hope you understand. Don't be difficult. Be student. Don't be a fan. You know, once you be a fan, it's like there's people that you follow, then you don't even want to listen to other people. You see, and those people that you follow, they don't even know you, but there is this guy that you follow. I follow this guy. You are not better than this person. 1, 2, 3. They don't even know you. So if I was someone, or like now, I try to follow everyone. I follow Lisiva, I follow the goats, I follow everyone in the game, because obviously they have something that I don't have. Our strategy might be similar, but you find something that is, this thing's not really the same. You know, most people who are suffering, they are the people who don't really like advice. They think they already know. But ask yourself, do you think you know? If you know, it's fine. So let's go back on EURUSD. I think I took this time actually, not maybe to try to waste your time, but maybe to show yourself something. Sometimes us humans, as we are emotional beings, we like to point things out, but we forget that most of the time, 80% of the time, the problem is us. You make profit, we give you the signal, you make profit. Before it can even reach halfway there, you're out. Then other people, they make like $100, you make $5. then you blame people. Oh, this thing doesn't really want to. Hey, learn. Once you start to learn, you're going to have that confidence. So let's go with, let's continue on Euro USD. I hope maybe you're going to smash that subscribe button, because I'm trying to help you here, right? I'm not going to, again, guys, for those who maybe are the first time here, I'm not going to be that guy who likes to be perfect. I'm not perfect, obviously. And I'm not going to be afraid to say other things. I'm not just going to, I will say things that they're going to help you. Not in a good, maybe not in a soft way, but as long as those things I know that they're going to help you, that is much better. I can't say I will be afraid to say 1, 2, 3 because other people, no, we say that because we want you to face yourself. You see, I'm not saying I'm doing everything good, but I'm trying to face my challenges, issues. We fail every day. We blow accounts every day. But we're not supposed to be afraid and run away from that. So it's better to face your problems. Not problems, yeah, your problems actually. See, but it's better to face something that you understand. Can you identify those problems? Do you have a strategy? Okay, yes. What's your strategy? Do you have a better time frame that you can use? You have this and that. Now you know. Now you're working on something. Start from today. Have that trading plan. Don't wait for next year. Don't wait for next year and go out there drink. Yeah, go drink, but you still have something. Don't run away from your problems. So, yeah, I hope maybe that will help someone. Not everyone, I know, not everyone. So, yeah, Euro USD, I'm expecting the market to push up, especially when we broke out of this resistance. So, let's push to the next one, and let's push. Okay. Yeah. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold is, yeah, it's very, very, very nice structure. I like that. As we started this together, since the market was going down, you can see, okay, sorry. Since the market was going down for quite some time, you saw that we had a resistance and the market was respecting that very nice. And then the market was tired of this downtrend. The market said, oh, you know what? I've been going down for quite some time. Why not I change the direction? Now the direction is what? Now the market is pushing to the upside, which we call that actually an uptrend. We're no longer on that downtrend. I've been repeating about this. You're supposed to know about the breakouts, by the way. So, as I said, the market was moving very nice on an uptrend. I drawn this before. I think I even sent the analysis very late, talking about something like that. So yesterday we had a very nice buy there, because the reason behind that, I think maybe you know, the reason behind that was what? Because we were on an uptrend and the market was doing what? The market was very close to our support area. And what's really happening on the support area or resistance area, most of the time, as the market is still respecting that trend, most of the time the market will respect our support. If it's downtrend, it will respect the resistance. Not every day, but mostly the market will respect that. And you know what? We did follow that. And guess what? Plus the CPI, 2 minutes, boom, in profit, TP hit, out. Very quick. Only one signal. I think I sent one signal yesterday. No, two, with USD which we also smashed. You see. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push the upside. But where we are now, I think the market actually created something. I think it's something like that. So what we're going to do is we can remove this, is fine. I think the market might push down, whatever. But for us to buy again, we can wait for the market to break above this area, or maybe to reach our support. It's where we can say we can continue to buy. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to break out. But for now on, I don't expect the market to push up or down. The market will just consolidate because we're expecting FOMC. You see, so I'm not expecting much for now on until the market, until the news actually. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. US oil did not actually react to CPI and stuff. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is still actually on a very, very strong downtrend, which is straightforward, by the way. So when we go closer there, you can easily see that the market is playing around this area where we can call the support or the resistance, but it's not really safe for us to go back on the market and try to enter something, because actually the market is on a downtrend. So trying to act smart and say let's buy 1 2 3 is not going to help. If I can draw a resistant line there, you can see that we might end up having something like that. So it means there is a chance for the market to do what? To push and reach this area before pushing down again. There's that possibility. So yeah, I'm still bearish on US oil, but we just have to have a nice structure that we can use. Maybe the market will reach this area. We don't know. There is that possibility that the market can still reach this area before maybe going down. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. Whoa, the video is already 20 something minutes, but I think it's better. It's better than nothing, because you're going to learn something, even if it's 1 hour. Because people, they just want 4 minutes videos, but at the same time, they just want to make it. How is that possible? That, to me, it's shortcuts. So what's really happening on US30? That's my coffee. Okay. What's really happening on US30? Quite straightforward. After this downtrend, the market broke out. This broke out actually, you can see breakout. You can see that the market, guys, English is not my mother tongue, so if I say things that you don't really understand, as long as obviously you will understand. You will understand very well, even if maybe whatever that I'm saying is not correct, but at least it's going to be like 98% there. You see, I hope you understand that, by the way. So what's really happening after the breakout, guys? You can easily see that the market actually is on a very nice consolidation move, and the market actually there is deciding whether to push to the upside or not, whether the market wants to continue with that bullish move or not. So what we're gonna do is, here, since the market broke out, we smashed this one, by the way. Oh, sorry, I think I did not send. I sent this day before yesterday, on Monday, and they smashed that. But yesterday I did not send US30 or NASDAQ, because the market was already around this area. So what's really happening is, yes, I'm expecting the market to do what? Maybe the market can still go down again and reach this area. Later on, there is a chance for the market to push up again. I'm hoping that the market can reach there. If that doesn't really happen, maybe the market will break this area and start to push the upside. And I really need that, because the market has been going down for quite some time. So, but for US30, I can say yes, US30 is actually on a bullish move. I'm expecting to buy, not to sell, actually, unless if the market breaks this support area. It's where I can say, okay, maybe the market is thinking otherwise. Maybe it's our time to look for another direction. You see, I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is the one and only NASDAQ, US Tech, US 100. Yeah, something like that. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? We are still actually on a downtrend. It seems like the market is giving us some clues here that, you know what, I'm still going to continue with that. So what's really happening is, we have a very, very nice resistant line there. The market is pushing down. We have to go closer and try to see what's really happening. I smashed this one here. I already showed you the video of what happened actually. So you can see that, you know what, actually the market was doing what? The market actually here was playing games with us. We had a support area, then boom, I sent this signal on Monday. Yes, they made profit, but it was around this area when the market was pushing up. I made something from that, from 2 accounts. So, but there is something very important here. I thought maybe, actually the market broke out. Actually, you can see that The market broke out of this resistance. You can see we have a resistance, and we also have a diagonal resistance. The market broke out of that. I thought maybe the market was going to push the upside. Guess what? The market started to push lower again. So what will happen later on? It seems like the market doesn't really want to push outside. There is a chance for the market to keep pushing lower later on, and there's also a chance for the market to push up. But for us, we don't actually have to guess. We don't actually have to guess. You see. But I'm expecting what? I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this support area before maybe we see a nice push to the upside. But I think this video is already very long. I don't really want to waste your time, guys. So, but don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Thanks to everyone who already reached this area. Without you guys, this channel it's nothing actually. So thank you very much. Bye.